Hi everyone, Shafin Tech is here. Today I want to show you how you can record your Windows 10 computer screen with Wondershare DemoCreator. Wondershare DemoCreator is a powerful screen recorders for free download with an easy-to-use interface. Mainly, it works as a screen recording tool, thus assisting you in recording what is displayed on the screen. You can capture everything with audio or webcam in real time, so satisfying your professional needs, like recording tutorials for online courses and presentations for references or office meetings, is not a hassle. Even it is profitable for streamers, YouTubers, and gaming enthusiasts who like sharing everyday content with their followers. In addition, all the recordings will be high definition since the software is a HD screen recorder. Even you can also take it as a noteworthy video editor, offering a variety of unique features. If you're new to DemoCreator, then subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any of our future tutorials. So, without any further ado, let's jump straight into the first step, which is setting up your recording environment. How to screen record using Wondershare DemoCreator. One of DemoCreator's most popular tools is the all-in-one recorder, which enables you to record all your screen's activity, including your mouse actions, clicks, and keyboard commands. Step 1. Launch Wondershare DemoCreator. So, the first step is to download and install the Wondershare DemoCreator software on your PC. Then, launch the software, and you'll get to this screen here. Step 2. Select the process. You have to choose the desired panel from the 6 available options, such as Game Recorder, Virtual Avatar, Camera Screen, Screen and Camera, and Video Presentation. Then, select the recording by clicking the screen option right here at the top. Step 3. Choose the recording area. Click on the HD option under Zone Capture here, and it will pop up the list of various different sizes. Select according to your needs. I'll choose 1920 by 1080, which will then take up the whole screen. DemoCreator provides a selection of preset recording formats, including full screen, 2 Kelvin, Full HD, HD Portrait, and even social media-sized formats, which are ideal for sharing on social media platforms like Instagram or YouTube. Step 4. Start the recording. Simply select the record button on the DemoCreator home screen to activate the unique recording area option. These features make a recording just what you want, simple and free of extra clutter or distractions. DemoCreator is flexible enough to meet your demands. Here are the best features of Wondershare DemoCreator. VTuber Toolkit. DemoCreator is integrated with Vroid Hub, a platform that enables users to share their VRM 3D characters. By connecting their Vroid Hub accounts with DemoCreator, users can enjoy greater flexibility in terms of selecting any virtual characters they want to use. Furthermore, VRM offers advanced features like facial expressions and eye tracking, which are important components for creating immersive and expressive virtual characters, to ensure the avatars appear exactly as intended in videos. DemoCreator also provides customization options such as adjusting the angles, sizes, and positions of their avatars. VTuber Toolkit is capable to create customized video content so that users can engage with their enthusiastic audiences. AI Voice Changer. DemoCreator Voice Changer easily transforms your voice into another character with just one click, powered by cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology. This innovative AI voice changer for PC and Mac lets you modify and customize your voiceover to add a unique style to your content. Voice Changer isn't limited to just speech-to-speech conversions. It also works great with text-to-audio, and the app supports over 40 AI voices that can bring your textual data to life. It lets users create virtual avatar recordings, making it indispensable for all your virtual audio and video needs. System Audio Recording. You can record any sound that is playing on your computer, including music, gaming sounds, and even videos. System audio recording is very helpful for those who wish to make tutorials or gaming videos with some background audio effect. Microphone recording. Wondershare DemoCreator's all-in-one recorder lets you record your microphone in addition to the system audio. This is very helpful for content producers who wish to add comments or voiceovers to their videos, artists who want to record their own music, and educators who want to provide video courses or lectures. Advanced camera effects. You can move things around on your screen. Let's quickly do that now. Let's move my webcam over here. We've got a few options down the bottom here to play around with the camera effects. The camera features include the circular frame, the rectangle frame, AI facial recognition, and a green screen style effect. How to record webcam only. To record webcam only, select Don't Record Screen. Turn off the system audio here, and make sure that the webcam recording option is on. Set up your webcam the way you want it. Another thing to remember is that you can hide the webcam preview once you are recording, if you so please. Editing the video. One of Wondershare DemoCreator's distinguishing qualities is that it provides users with a one-stop service for all the tools they need to produce an entire video. After recording your camera, screen, And audio, you can smoothly switch to the editing interface by clicking the square icon or the F10 button. How to add cursor effects. Adding cursor effects to your recordings is a great way to draw your viewers' interest to particular areas of your screen or to emphasize. Screen recording is its most fantastic feature, which also became the reason for its popularity online. It allows you to record the screen by setting any aspect ratio. Besides, it is possible to capture the desired screen part manually. Also, you can do real-time screen drawings, writing on the screen, drawing arrows, highlighting content, etc. Even screen recording with your face via webcam is easier, so you can create demos for any purpose. Moreover, it also supports functions like recording microphones and audio fade in or out. Even you can export recordings without editing and annotation. However, it helps you improve your videos using advanced transitions, green screen effects, and stickers to add a fun element. Wondershare DemoCreator pros and cons. Offer an organized and user-friendly interface. Allow you to record webcam videos effortlessly. Help you edit the recordings via excellent video editing features. Let you record a particular area of the screen using a magnifier. Provide you with a set of virtual avatars for presentations. Cons. There is no such cons of DemoCreator. In conclusion, Wondershare DemoCreator provides an impressive array of features that simplify the process of creating high-quality videos. From screen recording to audio capture and advanced editing capabilities, this tool offers everything content creators need to produce engaging and informative content. Thanks for watching. See you guys in next video.